This new feature 2023 tutorial video will teach you how to auto-grab and auto-release multiple objects. The objectives of the video is to first stage the structural framings, then lift and place the structural framings using the tower crane, and lastly set a duration for the tower crane operation. So the first objective is to stage the structural framings. So we want to stage these two structural framings. First step, go to 4D simulation, then click install framing, then click create a new staging task, then left mouse click, click apply. Now we want to put these two structural framings on the staging task. So hold the control button on your keyboard, then select these two, left mouse click, then click the new staging task, then click add selection. Then click refit. Rotate the y-axis so it's the same direction. Then click finish. Next, we can now lift and place the structural framings using the tower crane. So click the tower crane. Make sure auto grab and release enabled is clicked here. So click add to add a keyframe. Then click grab object. Now hold the control button, then click both structural framings. Click OK. Now you can see that it's both grabbed at the same time. Before, you can only grab one object at a time. You can also disable toggle animation helper. Click add keyframe. Click this hook, or you can also click here in element properties. Then lift it up. Then click add keyframe. Now let's release object. Hold the control button and we want to release this first. So click this first, then the second. Then click original for it to go to its original place. Then click OK. Now you can see that it automatically animated for you. Next, let's set a duration for the tower crane operation. So go to 4D simulation, click create a new equipment task, click the tower crane, then click add selection, then click OK. Lastly, let's change the calendar date and time. For the new equipment task, it will happen for 2 hours, so 9 to 11 a.m., then click OK. Then for the new staging task, it will happen for 5 days. So you can double click here, then click 5, then click enter. Now the different tasks are more clear. Thank you for watching the video.